How to know the password of a security camera. This is an Envio. Here is the application. I'm going to use the iCSee app. So start iCSee. Here we have two cameras. Let's tap on the settings of the first camera, the gear icon, settings. Go to the last one, about device. Tap on about device. And here we have device login name. It has an I symbol, and now you can see the username. And here we have the device password. Also tap on the I symbol, and there is the password of that camera. Now you can go back again. Even if you start the camera, you have a gear icon in the upper right corner also. Tap on it again, gear icon, and in the same place, about device, and it's showing the same thing once again, device login name. Tap on the I to see it, and device password, tap on it to see it. So that's how to find out the username and password of a security camera using the iCSee application on an Android phone.